Greetings, greetings, greetings. May I beg you now for do something for me. Pray for me. Pray for me like old Paul did pray for the people them in a Thessalonica. And if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, me I go read from Paul's first letter to the Thessalonians them, chapter 5, from verse 23 to verse 28. We pray, say God himself will give people peace. We put on one side to live for him and serve him with all our hearts. And we make on turn just like him in every way. And we pray, say, it will not make no part of no spirit, soul, or body can get blamed for nothing when we Lord Jesus Christ come back. The one we call him always do what him say him go do. And him we do this too. Brother and sister, pray for we. When you no come worship, kiss the brother and sister them and tell them howdy. Me I tell you now, in the Lord name, say if you read the letter here to all of the brother and sister them. Me pray say we Lord Jesus Christ, we show no love, even though we no deserve it. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.